Christian. This is 2004 Sportster Roadster 1200.
Actually, bought it as a salvage. It was a fucking wreck when I first got it, except the frame and the engine. And all the pieces that were fucked up were all the pieces that we had to chop up anyways. So, and we just reused a lot of parts. That's the original tank, it was just chopped. The handlebars are the original handlebars, just cut. Pretty much everything else was just taken off. These are still the wheels. We just nickel plated everything and kind of hated all the chrome, so we ended up scotch brighting a lot of shit. Well, it's my first bike I've ever owned, and I wanted something fast and compact, so sporties are great. I've heard some good things. I've heard they blow out fucking large V-twins. Yeah, the bike was built by Jake Smith in Ultraviolence. And I kind of just went in there, I had an idea of what I wanted, and we kind of vibed. We had the exact same idea, and then I just kind of let him do what he wanted. And he just, the only thing I did is I brought these. I wanted the grips and the pegs, and he made it all work. So. I went to Newcomb's Ranch, came down, went to a rock store, went to Malibu, and went to Venice, and decided to go visit a friend down in Oxnard, and came back home. Tried to make it for fucking Super Bowl, and I missed it.